What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video. And today I'm going to be doing a pickups video. And I'm also going to be showing you what I'm going to be packing for my London and Paris trip. Let's get into it. Guys, before this video starts, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. It really means a lot to me and it really helps the channel out. I'm at 107 subscribers and I'm only going up. I'm closer and closer every single day to my goal of 1,000 subscribers, and I will have it by the end of this year. I promise you that. Alright, so for the pickups portion, I picked up 2 pairs of shoes, I picked up a jacket, and I picked up some basketball shorts. I went to my local Nike outlet and I did have a 30% off friends and family discount, so I was getting great deals on almost everything. So for the first shoe, you see, normal orange Nike box. And I told you, I'm on my Air Max wave. It's a pair of Air Max 98s in a pretty nice colorway. Right here, I have a pair of Air Max 98s, blue and gray colorway. Little hints of red all throughout the shoe. Super nice colorway. The shoe was on sale already at the outlet for $59.99, and I got a 30% coupon on top of that, so the shoe came out to around $47, I believe. Second sneaker, orange Nike box. Here we have the Nike Zoom Gravity. On this shoe I got a super deal. The shoe was originally $39.99 at the outlet, and I got it for $27. Now this shoe isn't too hyped. It's just a Zoom Gravity, black and silver with a translucent upper. Just an everyday shoe, nothing too special. It was a great deal. I had to scoop it, and this shoe is going to be very useful for me. Now let's get into the jacket and the basketball shorts I picked up. For the jacket, it's just a maroon Nike jacket, but my favorite part about this Nike jacket is this little Nike check. Sometimes I like big branding, sometimes I like subtle branding, and right now for this jacket, this subtle Nike check is fire. This jacket was originally $45 and I got it for about $27. And the last pickup is a pair of Jordan basketball shorts. And you guys know Jordan basketball shorts usually hit for around $65 to $80. But these, I got a super steal on these. These are white Jordan shorts. Logos everywhere. Got the Wings logo here. Got the writing on the back is upside down. And they kind of did like off-white vibes basically on these shorts. And these shorts were originally $65. And I got them for 17 bucks. So yeah guys, that's my pickups portion. Let's get into my London and Paris packing portion of the video. Alright, so for packing, everybody knows what to pack. You know the essentials. Underwear, socks, pants, shirts, and jackets. So right now, it's pretty cold in London and Paris. So my outfits are going to consist of mainly long pants and jackets and sweaters. So I already packed my underwears, my socks, all my essentials. Undershirts, white t-shirts, black t-shirts, everything generic, basketball shorts, everything's already packed. What I'm going to be showing you guys is the heat I'm bringing to London. So right here is my pants portion. Right here, black sweats, gray sweats, blue jeans, light wash jeans, black jeans, a pair of green, yellow, and red track pants, an extra pair of blue jeans, and some green cargo pants. Now let's get into the shirts I'm going to be bringing. For the t-shirts I'm bringing, it's going to be blue Sharkhead Bape shirt, Supreme banner tee, Cause pink tee, Cause split, Pablo merch, the Virgil merch from his museum exhibit in Atlanta, Travis Scott merch, Jordan collaboration, Travis Scott merch, can't forget my Kylie Jenner long sleeve tee, just a red Nas tee from Forever 21, Polo Gang, a white polo thermal, and last but not least, Dragon Ball Z long sleeve tee. Oh yeah guys, and I'm also going to bring this Orlando Magic jersey. I'm just going to wear it on top of a hoodie. Since it's really cold over in London and Paris, it's around 37 to 45 degrees, I'm going to be wearing a lot of jackets and coats. So that's why that's going to be most of what I'm going to be bringing. First up we have like the sweaters and the crew necks. So I'm going to bring this Cause crew neck, this Weekend merch crew neck, this vintage Disney sweater, and just a black crew neck. Now guys, let's get into my favorite parts, the hoodies and the jackets. For the hoodies, I will be bringing this Nike Sportswear cream hoodie. My favorite hoodie of them all, my Juice WRLD V-Lone hoodie. And I also will be bringing this maroon hoodie that I picked up from the Nike outlet. Now finally for the clothes portion, the heavier jackets. So I'm going to bring this denim Young Thug jacket, Nike Windbreaker, this Tommy Hilfiger jacket, a Forever 21 heavy duty coat, and my Miami Dolphins vintage Apex jacket. Now that was the clothes portion of my packing. Now let's get into my favorite part, the sneakers. I'm going to be bringing 4 sneakers on this trip. I'm going to bring some heat, some light, and just some everyday active wear sneakers. For the first pair of sneakers I'm going to be bringing, it's going to be the Nike Zoom Gravities that I picked up from the Nike outlet. This is going to be an everyday shoe. I'm going to be able to throw it on, not worry about it. In London and Paris, I will be doing a lot of walking, so I'm going to need a nice, comfortable shoe, and this is going to be the perfect shoe for that. Next shoe I'm bringing is my Air Max 90 that I recently picked up in my recent Steals and Deals video. If you haven't seen it already, go down and check it out. It's going to be one of my most recent videos. Alright guys, so for the last 2 shoes I'm bringing, I had to bring some heat with me. So these are going to be a little bit more hype. For the third pair I'm bringing is going to be the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. This shoe is super comfortable and I need a high top because it's going to be a little bit colder. So on those colder days, this shoe will keep my foot warmer. And the last shoe I'm going to pack is the Yeezy Beluga V2 2.0. Now this shoe is super comfortable and it's going to be perfect for me walking around the streets of London and Paris. It's all over gray material, so it's not going to get too dirty. And London and Paris, it rains a lot, so it's going to be perfect for me. The Yeezy is a must pack for any trip. This shoe is all over gray, so it's going to match with all of my outfits. So for the sneakers, I try to match it with every outfit, and I think I brought a nice variety of different colors, and they were all able to fit any outfit I choose that day. So clothing and sneakers are not the only thing I'm going to be bringing. I will be bringing my camera, my GoPro, and my laptop. I will be creating a lot of content out there, so make sure to turn post notifications on so you never miss out on any of my uploads. Alright guys, so that's the video. You guys saw my pickups and you guys saw what I'm going to be bringing to London and Paris. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn post notifications on because I will be posting a lot more videos within the next 2 weeks. My whole London and Paris vlog will be going up in about 2 to 3 weeks, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys in the next video.